Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Best Buy account to track orders, access rewards, and manage your purchases, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit bestbuy.com and click Account in the top right corner. Then select Create Account to begin registration. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your Best Buy account. This will be your primary login credential. Step 3. Provide your personal information, including your first and last name, phone number, and zip code during the account creation process. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Best Buy sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from Best Buy and click on the confirmation link or button to verify your email address. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder, or log into your account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Complete your account profile by adding additional information such as your full address for shipping and billing purposes. Step 8. If you want to join the My Best Buy Rewards program, enroll during account setup or navigate to the rewards section after verification to sign up. Step 9. For My Best Buy members, verify your phone number if you want to receive exclusive offers, order updates, and rewards notifications via text. Step 10. Add a payment method to your account by securely saving a credit card, debit card, or Best Buy credit card for faster checkout. Step 11. Once your email is verified and your profile is complete, you can start shopping, tracking orders, managing warranties, and earning rewards on purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.